This video describes how to configure the display of scalar results on the model. When you click on the results tree item in the workspace, select the scalar result you want to display in the bottom pane. Upon selection, the result now appears under the Results Feature Tree item. Clicking on this new tree item displays all the available settings for scalar results in the bottom pane of the workspace. The first setting is the color scheme applied to the fringes. You are free to select among the wide variety of suggested schemes. Here, we show a number of these schemes and the effect on the display of the fringes. Toggle the Continuous Legend checkbox to get a smoother gradient in between fringes. Or else, you can adjust precisely the number of fringe levels to use. The range mode indicates how the min and max values of the scalar are computed. And if you would like to set your preferred values, choose the manual range mode and set them with the min and max sliders. By ticking the filtering checkbox, you can use the min and max value sliders to hide elements on which the scalar value is outside of the chosen range. The logarithmic scaling checkbox displays the scalar using a logarithmic scale. The node average checkbox displays the scalar at nodes regardless of the result mapping. The above, below, and undefined colors let you specify what colors should be used when scalar values are beyond the max value in the range, beneath the min value, or just simply not defined. This is illustrated by changing the range manually. The last two settings are valuable when the scalar is displayed using contour lines. Use them to define the number of lines and the mode used for the display. Finally, the bottom text box provides all the information Analyzer has on the selected result.